example 7 is a teeny bit more challenging in that you have to draw the diagram. So we have a 1,000-foot cliff, and then we have angles of depression. So I'm going to draw the cliff. I know that the cliff is 1,000 feet tall. And there are 2 cars down in the valley. Here's a car, and here's a car. And they talk about the angle of depression. Well, so we have somebody right up here. Angle of depression is always an angle below the horizontal, So this person is going to look below the horizontal at the closer car and then the further away car. So let's see. We know that one of these angles of depression is going to be 10 degrees, so that's going to be the smaller one, right? It's not this because this is an angle with the vertical. An angle of depression is an angle with the horizontal, so that's 10 degrees, and the next one is going to be 15 degrees. And this gets a little bit challenging, only because we don't seem to have, we're looking for this distance, how far apart of the cars, and that is not the side of a right triangle. So the best we can do is, I in fact know that I have a number of things I could do. This is the side of a right triangle, and what I know in this triangle, I'm going to use another color. So for this triangle, that has this big side in it, I know one leg is 1,000 feet. I know this is a 10-degree angle, so in fact then I know this is an 80-degree angle. Also, if I really remember my geometry, I will know that these are alternate interior angles. So this is 10 degrees. And what I'm looking for is this side. So I'm going to call that side Q. And once again, I'm going to use tangent. And I'm going to use tangent of 80 opposite over the adjacent because I don't feel like having a variable in the denominator. So I'm going to have tangent of 80 degrees is Q over 1,000. So I know that Q, that total distance, is going to be 1,000 times the tangent of 80. So Q, that whole distance, is 5671.28 feet. Now, I'm also going to use another marker, and what I need to get rid of is that distance. And I know I have another triangle right there, and if this is a 15-degree angle, then this is going to be the complement. So I know that this little angle in here is going to be 75 degrees. I'm going to call this leg P, and I am going to again say that the tangent of 75 degrees is P over 1,000. So P is 1,000 times the tangent of 75. So P is 3732.05. And I know that the distance I must be looking for, the distance between the cars, is going to be Q minus P. So I'm just going to reach up and I'm going to grab Q minus P, and that's going to give me distance between the cars is 1939.23 feet.